How to log in to Discord. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Today let's learn to log in to Discord mobile app. So go ahead and open the Discord app on your device, and if you do not have the app, you can easily download it from your App Store or your Google Play Store. Once you have the app opened, input your email address or phone number and then enter your password. Further, tap on the login button in order to enter your account. And just in case if you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Your Password option you see on the login screen to reset your password by following the on-screen prompts. You can also enter the 2FA code from your Authenticator app if enabled. So, this is how you can log in to Discord. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.